Welcome you in bio class. You have studied heart is the pumping machine and it circulates the blood throughout the body. This heart is pumping machine and its work is to pump the blood throughout the body to the different organs of the body. It will pump the blood. There are blood vessels which carry the blood away from the heart. They are artery. The blood vessels which bring the blood towards the heart or into the heart, they are veins. After that, there are fine blood vessels which connect the artery and veins. They are capillary. Capillaries. Then our circulatory system consists of heart and blood vessels. In the blood vessels are arteries, veins and capillaries. There are circulation of blood in the body. So blood flows twice in the heart before it complete one full round. So for completing one full round, blood have to flow in the heart 2 times. One is short, that is called pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. And other is long, that is called systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. So what is the pulmonary circulation and what is systemic circulation? That you have to know. You have studied right ventricle. Right ventricle of the heart contain deoxygenated blood. It pumps the blood to the lungs for oxygenation. Pulmonary artery carry the blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. So this blood vessel is pulmonary artery. Again from the lungs, so this circulation of blood from right ventricle to the lung. Again from the lungs, blood is coming into left auricle through pulmonary vein. So this blood vessel is pulmonary vein. It is known as pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation is circulation of blood from the right ventricle to the lung and from lung to the left auricle. It is called pulmonary circulation. In this pulmonary circulation, deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle is pumped to the lungs. Lungs will oxygenate the blood. After the oxygenation, again blood through the pulmonary vein coming into the left auricle. This blood from the left auricle pass into the left ventricle through left auriculoventricular aperture. Now see other circulation. Circulation of blood from the left ventricle to the body, different part of the body, anterior part of the body, posterior part of the body, circulation of blood from the left ventricle to the body. The blood vessel is aorta. Again from the body to right auricle. The blood vessel which bring the blood from the body to the right auricle, they are vena cava. So this circulation of blood is called systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. In the systemic circulation is circulation of oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is pumped to the different parts of the body through aorta. From the body, blood again coming into the right auricle through vena cava. From the right auricle, it will come to the right ventricle. So through the right auriculoventricular aperture. So this is called systemic circulation. So these two circulation, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation, is called double circulation. Why it is called double circulation? Its reason is 2 times blood comes enter in the heart and 2 times blood pump out of the heart. First time blood is coming from the lung into the left. This is the, in this figure, this is the left auricle. First time blood is coming the left auricle. Second time from the different part of the body, blood is coming the right auricle. So 2 times blood enter into the heart and 2 times blood from the heart is pumped out. First time blood is pumped out from the right ventricle to the lung for oxygenation. Second time blood is pumped out from the left ventricle. This is the left ventricle. Pump the blood to the different part of the body. So this is the double circulation. Systemic circulation is the long circulation because in this blood is circulated from head to toe, whole body. But in the pulmonary circulation, it is a short circulation because there is circulation of blood only to the lungs.